Look at him, he's out cold. Totally gone. Little paws crossed like a person.
Wiggle left, wiggle right, tap your toes, hold on tight. Clap, 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 it's a sunny.
What are we carrying?
Huh? Here. Delicious.
Easy, little human. Meow.
Oh my gosh, are you? No, no, no! Oh, look at you! You're a rainbow now. You're so silly.
That's mine.
Wiggle to the left, wiggle to the right, little star shining bright. Ah, ah, we win! Does Lulu's house.
Good boy.
We're not as loyal as you guys, but at least we never told the cops where people hide their weed.
That was one time.
Mommy, a baby dragon's at the door.
A what?
He lost. He cold.
Don't touch it, honey.
It's okay. I hold him gentle.
Bring him in for a minute.
I will.
Hold still, Popsicle. Warm breeze coming up. Great. Now I'm a snowball with legs. Cute snowball, though.
Who turned off the sun?
Here we go again. Not a suspect, buddy, just a pigeon.